Basta crepes ang usapan, ang highly suggested ng mga friends ko is Cafe Breton. I went here during the Chinese New Year and dito ako nag-me time habang hinahantay ko matapos yung kids ko sa activity nila sa mall. Syempre, hindi mawawala ang coffee. Dapat pag may crepe, meron din ka-partner na coffee. This is their Cafe au lait. I like their cups, old-fashioned, and I really like the presentation. For the crepe, namili na lang ako sa bestsellers nila. This is the Le Magnifique. It has banana and our favorite choco hazelnut spread, whipped cream and almonds drizzled with chocolate syrup. Mukhang ang sarap-sarap, no? Mukha ding sweet, but it's not overly sweet for me. Tama lang. The crepe is thin. Bagay lahat ng combination ng toppings. Look at the hazelnut spread. Yummy! Ang laki din ng serving nila. Good for sharing na yung isang order ng crepe. Kaya naman super busog na ako sa merienda, hindi na ako nakapag-dinner that day. Their coffee is great too, smooth, medyo strong, and perfect with the crepe. A nice cup of coffee with amazing dessert. Solve na solve ako dito sa Cafe Breton. Kayo ba, meron ba kayong favorite na ino-order dito?